Hello, my name is Cookie slash Sarah, just in case you didn't know about it yet. And, well, I have this wonderful, not perfect idea, but if you could tell me in the comments something random, or something random I should do, or, what, final thing, sorry, I'm having trouble speaking, because I'm really nervous. Just something random that happened to you, and I'll try to act it out or reenact it. But something I need to tell you is that don't tell me to burn down my house. I mean, if you do, I'm not going to act it and reenact it because that's stupid. I mean, things like that. It's completely stupid. It's the dumbest idea. And it can get a lot of damage and trouble and possibly kill a person, and I don't want to go to jail or anything like that. Okay? And if I'm talking too fast, I'm very sorry. I'm excited, and at the same time, I'm nervous. And, well, questions, comments, leave them down, and don't forget to subscribe above or below, wherever the button is. Bye! And thank you. Sorry. Thank you then.